Whew, grabe ang init. So we are here in the grounds of Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. And ito, kalalabas ko lang ng building. So actually guys, I am struggling to breathe kasi ang init. Pero siyempre, okay lang yan. Tis pogi lang. So nandito ako ngayon sa may gilid ng mosque. So yan, mosque yan. Actually, the architecture of this mosque is really nice. So we're like walking around. Tapos guys, dito meron ditong eskinita kung saan doon tinanlago sa papuntang Madinat Zayed. So, init. Napaka labo ng skies, ng langit. Para siyang fog, pero hindi siya fog. Ano siya, parang dust na ewan. So, parang gloomy. Gloomy ata yung term doon. Napaka-gloomy ng skies kasi nga sobrang init dito. And, yeah, it is really like insane. Hot init. So, kung tatanungin niyo ako kung nakakaitim ba yung init at araw dito, I will say it depends kung gaano ka katagal nakababad or nakabilad sa araw. But if it's just a few minutes, I think no. Unlike sa Pilipinas na parang konting init lang, parang rekta maitim ka na agad. Pero dito hindi naman. And yan, marami din namang mga Filipino dito, mga kabayan, na naglalakad din ng ganitong oras. Pero hindi naman sila umiitim, like nagkakaroon ng tan, skin tan. So they're just fine as long as you don't expose yourself to the sun for a long period of time. So, yep. So we are coming in from the back end of Madinat Zayed Shopping Center. So tara, para tayo ay ma-aircon na. Grabe init talaga. Tinitiis ko lang kasi kailangan we have to move every day. Alright, we have made it inside. May mga shops dito, like stores, everything. But parang nagugutom ako. Let's try to check if there's food here. Just explore the areas. So wala pa ganun tao kasi tanghali pa lang dito. It's 2 PM in the afternoon. So ito, parang nawawala yata ako. Pero we'll see. We'll just keep walking. Alright guys, I have made it to the grocery section. It's back there, but later we will check that out. Ngayon, hanap mo tayo ng food or something snacks. Let's take the escalator. So ito, tayo ay nasa food court na finally. Sa taas, pinakataas pala siya. It's about 3 floors. Check this out. Bro, do you have that Faluda, Royal Faluda?
Yeah.
How much? 12? 1. So ito mga kaibigan, order lang tayo ng Faluda. Snacks lang. Ito yung parang halo-halo na dito. So yun, yung texture niya, yung pinakamalapit na description sa kanya is halo-halo sa Pilipinas. Let's check kung paano gawin. Card. Plastic. Plastic. Start. Thank you, bro. Okay, we got our cravings for today. It's the Faluda slash Halo Halo edition. Okay, hanap tayo ng seat. Alright, let's sit here. I found a place. Okay, konting redeem muna sa ating kakainin. So we got here an ice cream, may syrup, may mga tiny bits ng what do you call that? Apple. Tapos yan, ano siyang chia seeds, portion of cream or ice cream, and then a lot more syrup on the bottom. So taste test muna tayo. Very nice. Very refreshing. Perfect na perfect sa tag-init na panahon.